Elevate the lifespan and allure of your rugs with our top-tier rug cleaning services. Explore our meticulous process designed to effectively cleanse and revitalize your cherished carpets. From gentle yet thorough cleaning techniques to specialized treatments, we ensure your rugs receive the care they deserve. Experience the transformation as we expertly remove dirt, stains, and odors, unveiling the pristine beauty of your rugs.